Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about different types of eczema. Eczema is a common chronic skin condition that affects many people, making it difficult to live an active and comfortable life. There are treatments available to help manage the symptoms and lessen their impact on your daily life. So one of the first steps in finding a treatment plan is to identify the type of eczema that you have. There are 8 different types of eczema, and each type has its own characteristic features. Knowing which type of eczema you have can help you and your doctor to determine the best treatment available. The first is atopic dermatitis. Atopic dermatitis is one of the most common type of eczema, and it is typically seen in children, and it is characterized by intensely itchy dry red patches that form on the cheeks, arms and legs. This type of eczema is often caused by the combination of genetic factors and environmental triggers such as exposure to certain irritants or allergens. In modern medicine, the treatment includes corticosteroids and moisturizers to help keep the skin hydrated. But homeopathy has very effective medicines in treating this atopic dermatitis. Second is contact dermatitis. Contact dermatitis is a type of eczema that occurs when the skin comes into contact with an irritant or allergen. It is characterized by red, itchy patches which are dry that can form anywhere on the body but often seen on the hands, arms and face. The common irritants that include the triggering factors for contact dermatitis include soap, detergents, cosmetics, jewelry, plants. Treatment for contact dermatitis usually involves avoiding contact with the irritants, using mild soap and cold water. And for itching, you can use hydrocortisone cream, topical application. Third is dyshydratic eczema. This eczema is a type of eczema that is typically seen on the hands and the feet and is characterized by deep, itchy and painful blisters that form on the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. This type of eczema often caused by stress, and the treatment includes avoiding triggers such as excessive sweating and using topical medication. Fourth is seborrheic dermatitis. This seborrheic dermatitis is a type of eczema that typically affects the scalp, face and chest and is characterized by red, itchy, scaly patches. This type of eczema is often caused by an overgrowth of a yeast-like fungus. Fifth type is neurodermatitis. This neurodermatitis is a form of eczema that can cause intense itching, redness and thickening of the skin and is often triggered by stress and is most commonly found at the arms, legs and scalp. Treatment for neurodermatitis usually involves the use of topical steroids, but as I mentioned, homeopathy has excellent remedy for treatment of all types of the eczema, as homeopathy treatment is based on constitutional mode of treatment. Next comes the nummular eczema. Nummular eczema is a type of eczema that appears coin-shaped patches of dry, itchy, irritated skin. It typically affects the arms and legs and is often caused by allergic reaction. Seventh is Stasis dermatitis. Stasis dermatitis is a type of eczema that typically affects the lower legs and is characterized by red, itchy and scaly patches. This type of eczema is often caused by poor circulation in the legs, and its treatment includes elevating the legs, wearing compression stockings and using topical medications. The eighth is hand eczema. Hand eczema is a type of eczema that typically affects the hands and is characterized by red, itchy and scaly patches. This type of eczema is often caused by frequent contact with irritants or allergens. And treatment includes avoiding triggers such as soap and other triggers that can worsen the symptoms. Thank you for watching my video, and please do not forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. And also please do subscribe to my channel and support me. And do stay updated for my latest videos. Thank you.